بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
حميم والكتاب المبين.
By the oath of that luminous book, i.e., the Quran.
إنا أنزلناه في ليلة مباركة إنا كنا منذرين.
We have indeed sent it down in a blessed night. Indeed, it is we who warn.
فيها يفرق كل أمر حكيم.
Therein are distributed all the works of wisdom.
أمرا من عندنا إنا كنا مرسلين.
By a command from us, indeed, it is we who send prophets.
رحمة من ربك إنه هو السميع العليم.
Mercy from your Lord. Indeed, only He is the all-hearing, the all-knowing.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما إن كنتم موقنين.
He who is the Lord of the heavens and the earth, and whatever is between them, you will know this if you have certainty.
لا إله إلا هو يحيي ويميت ربكم ورب آبائكم الأولين.
No one is worthy of worship except Him. He gives life and causes death. He is your Lord and the Lord of your previous forefathers.
بل هم في شك يلعبون.
Rather, they, i.e., the disbelievers, are in doubt, playing.
فارتقب يوم تأتي السماء بدخان مبين.
So, you keep waiting for that day when the sky will bring forth a visible smoke.
يغشى الناس هذا عذاب أليم.
Which will smother the people. This is a painful punishment.
ربنا اكشف عنا العذاب إنا مؤمنون.
They will say on that day, O our Lord, remove the punishment from us. We now accept faith.
أنى لهم الذكرى وقد جاءهم رسول مبين.
How can it be a possibility for them to accept advice, whereas a messenger who speaks clearly has already come to them?
ثم تولوا عنه وقالوا معلم مجنون.
They then turned away from him and said, He is a madman, tutored.
إنا كاشف العذاب قليلا إنكم عائدون.
We removed the punishment for some days. You will then do the same, i.e., you would disbelieve again.
يوم نبطش البطشة الكبرى إنا منتقمون.
Remember the day when we will seize with the greatest seizure. Indeed, we are to take revenge.
ولقد فتنا قبلهم قوم فرعون وجاءهم رسول كريم.
And we indeed tested the people of Fir'aun before them, and an honorable messenger, Musa, came to them.
أن أدوا إلي عباد الله إني لكم رسول أمين.
Who said that, Hand over that bondsman of Allah to me. I am indeed a trustworthy messenger to you.
وألا تعلوا على الله إني آتيكم بسلطان مبين.
And do not rebel against Allah. I bring to you a clear proof.
وإني عذت بربي وربكم أن ترجمون.
Said Musa, and I take refuge in my Lord and your Lord, in this regard that you may stone me.
وإن لم تؤمنوا لي فاعتزلون.
And if you do not believe in me, so keep apart from me.
فدعا ربه أن هؤلاء قوم مجرمون.
So he supplicated to his Lord that these are the criminal people.
فأسر بعبادي ليلا إنكم متبعون.
We commanded him, take my bondsmen away at night, you will definitely be chased.
واترك البحر رهوا إنهم جند مغرقون.
And leave the river open as it is at different places. Indeed, that army of Fir'aun will be drowned.
كم تركوا من جنات وعيون.
How many gardens and water springs they have left behind.
وزروع ومقام كريم.
And crop fields and nice houses.
ونعمة كانوا فيها فاكهين.
And bounties wherein they were stress-free.
كذلك وأورثناها قوما آخرين.
This is how we did, and we made another nation their heirs.
فما بكت عليهم السماء والأرض وما كانوا منظرين.
So the heavens and the earth did not cry over them, and they were not given respite.
ولقد نجينا بني إسرائيل من العذاب المهين.
And indeed we rescued the children of Israel from a disgraceful punishment.
من فرعون إنه كان عاليا من المسرفين.
From Fir'aun, he was indeed arrogant amongst the transgressors.
ولقد اخترناهم على علم على العالمين.
And indeed we knowingly chose them above the people of that time.
وآتيناهم من الآيات ما فيه بلاء مبين.
And we gave them those signs in which there was a clear award.
إن هؤلاء ليقولون.
Indeed, these people say,
إن هي إلا موتتنا الأولى وما نحن بمنشرين.
there is nothing except us dying once only, and we will not be raised.
فأتوا بآبائنا إن كنتم صادقين.
Therefore, bring back our dead forefathers if you are truthful.
أهم خير أم قوم تبع والذين من قبلهم أهلكناهم إنهم كانوا مجرمين.
Are they, i.e. the disbelievers of Makkah, better in might, or the people of Tubba, a king of Yemen, and those who were before them, i.e. before the people of Tubba? We destroyed them, i.e. the previous disbelievers. They were indeed criminals.
وما خلقنا السماوات والأرض وما بينهما لاعبين.
And we did not create the heavens and the earth and whatever is between them in amusement.
ما خلقناهما إلا بالحق ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
We did not create them except with the truth, i.e. genuine purpose, but most of them know not.
إن يوم الفصل ميقاتهم أجمعين.
Indeed, the day of decision is the appointed time for all of them.
يوم لا يغني مولا عن مولا شيئا ولا هم ينصرون.
The day on which a friend will not benefit a friend at all, and nor will they be helped.
إلا من رحم الله إنه هو العزيز الرحيم.
Except him upon whom Allah has mercy. Indeed, only He is the Honorable, the Merciful.
إن شجرة الزقوم
Indeed, the tree of Zaqqum,
طعام الأثيم
it is the food of the sinners,
كالمهل يغلي في البطون
like molten copper, it boils in their bellies,
كغلي الحميم
like the boiling of sizzling hot water.
خذوه فاعتلوه إلى سواء الجحيم
Seize him, take him by force, dragging him right to the blazing fire.
ثم صبوا فوق رأسه من عذاب الحميم
Then pour on his head the punishment of boiling water.
ذق إنك أنت العزيز الكريم
Taste, yes, certainly, only you are the most honorable, the dignified.
إن هذا ما كنتم به تمترون
Indeed, this punishment is that in which you used to doubt.
إن المتقين في مقام أمين
Indeed, the pious people are in a place of safety,
في جنات وعيون
in gardens and water springs.
يلبسون من سندس واستبرق متقابلين
They will wear fine and thick silk and will be facing each other.
كذلك وزوجناهم بحور عين
This is how it is, and we have got them married to the maidens having pitch black and big, bright, gorgeous eyes.
يدعون فيها بكل فاكهة آمنين
Therein they will ask for all kinds of fruits in peace.
لا يذوقون فيها الموت إلا الموتة الأولى ووقاهم عذاب الجحيم
They will not taste death in it, i.e., in paradise, except their former death, and Allah has saved them from the punishment of the fire.
فضلا من ربك ذلك هو الفوز العظيم
As bounty from your Lord, this is the great success.
فإنما يسرناه بلسانك لعلهم يتذكرون
So, we have made this Quran easy in your language that they may understand.
فارتقب إنهم مرتقبون
Therefore, you wait, O beloved, for their destruction. They too are waiting for your passing away.
صدق الله العظيم